Hi there, so today we're going to take a look at the DNAKE S213K video door entry system. This is now supplied as a 4G video intercom system with the Teltonika RUT200 modem and the power supply also included in the kit. The kit will also include an enclosure for these below. This is just for display purposes. But let's take a look at the DNAKE call station itself. Now, first off, you'll notice, obviously, we've got a numeric keypad here for coded entry. There is also a proximity reader in the center here, which will read MyFair tags or your standard EM tags as well. There is a rain shield available for this, and the kit itself, this is a surface mount kit. So there's a surface box included with the kit, or there are flush mount options available as well with this. So firstly, the router which we supply is also supplied with a SIM card, which has a 2-year data package included with that, which provides up to 5 gigabytes of data per month, which is more than ample for the single button door entry panel itself. The router also creates its own Wi-Fi network, and there is a Wi-Fi antenna included in the kit, as well as these short stubby antennas there. So it fits nice and snug in the enclosure that's been provided. So let's get into the app and the programming. So firstly, what we want to do, I'm just going to open the app up. Right, so we have the DNAKE Smart Life app, which is also available on the iOS store as well as the Google Play Store. So if we just quickly open that up, and you'll see we've got no device added at the moment. So the first thing we want to do is add the device. But before we do that, you need to make sure that you're connected to the modem, the router itself, and just make sure that you're connected to the router which is supplied in the kit before pairing the device. Once you're connected to that router, go into the app, and we want to click Add Device. What this will now do is it will search the network that the intercom is connected to, and then we just want to click Add when it finds it. So then it will go through a sort of kind of registration process, which should take a few short seconds. And once that has been added, we will then have access to the intercom itself. So if I press Done, it will then try and take me to the video stream from the door entry panel there, and we'll see that light up. And there's me. Hello. And then we've also got some of the features on the app there I can quickly show you. So if we wanted to access the output to trigger the gates or the door to open, I just press the lock output there and press confirm, and that will open the gate or door. You'll also see on here we've got a gallery which you can take videos, snapshots to and videos to. That's via these icons just up here, the little camera screen there and the record button there. So I'll start recording. Stop that. Very good. So save to the gallery, and I can also change the theme color if we want to, and here as well. I prefer the dark. So that's the app. Very simple, very straightforward. When we do get a call come through, which I'll just demonstrate for you now by pressing the call button, you'll have a notification come through on the mobile phone, and then it will retrieve the video. Hello. And that's that. So you can speak to the person there at the other end. Hello. Don't want to hear my voice any more than you have to. Oops. There you go. And so yeah, very, very simple to set up. Very nice kit, and very, very cost effective for the market that there is for a 4G video intercom system. If you have any queries about the kit at all, just give us a call on 01384 569 942, or speak to our technical team via email technical@easygates.co.uk.